Now we will study Unit 9 about separating without hating. First, let us introduce ourselves. Number 02119 000 and 1, Stevanus Kawentar Adi L. Number 02119 000 and 3, Sisislia, Vina, Eudia. Number 02119 000 and 18, Mellyani Safitri. And number 02119 000 and 21, Hasna, Nabila, Yaniarsi.
Size classification. The process of separating granular or powder materials into batches of large, intermediate, and small particles. Grizzly, a size classification device for large lumps or solids. It consists of inclined metal bars with space between them. Any material smaller than the space between the bars will fall through. Larger size slide to the end of the grizzly where they are collected. Sieve, a size classification device made of wire cloth or perforated sheet metal. When the sieve is shaken, small particles fall through the openings and larger particles remain on top. Sieves made of wire cloth are commonly called screens.
Sedimentation or settling is a process in which particles of solid suspended in a liquid are separated by allowing them to settle by the force or gravity. There are many types of sedimentation tanks. For example, horizontal flow tanks, radial flow tanks, inclined settling, blasted sedimentation, and flag blanket sedimentation. Thickener is a piece of equipment in which sedimentation is carried out as a continuous process. Thickener vary widely in size and configuration, but they are comprised 1. A vessel to provide volume and area needed for thickening. 2. A system for introducing the feed and directing it into the flow paths. 3. An overflow system for collecting clarified liquid. 4. A mechanism to convey settled solids to a discharge point. Filtration is a process by which solid particles may be separated from a liquid by forcing the liquid through the woven cloths with openings too fine to permit the particles to pass. Filters, as commonly understood in water treatment, generally consist of a medium which it is intended most of the particles in the water will be captured.
Filter cloth, the special finely woven cloth used for filtration. Filter cloth application. At present, filter cloth are widely used in various industries as an important filtration media including main coal, metallurgy, chemical, and printing and other related industries where solid liquid separation is essential. Classification of filter cloth based on raw material. There are several types of fiber used in filtration of woven structure. A. Cotton filter cloth. B. Nylon filter cloth. C. Polyester filter cloth, D. Polypropylene filter cloth, E. Phenolene filter cloth. Filter press. Filter press is a device for solid liquid separation with plate framed as filter room where liquid was transferred into the conveying pump. Solid liquid separation will be achieved by filter media. Filter press cloth in PET, PI, PP are used for plate and frame filter press. Chamber press and other presses widely used in liquid or solid separation, gas filtration, and dust collection, acid resistant, alkali resistant, heat strength, good permeability, heat tensile, elongation, good abrasion resistance, easy respiration, especially applied to model with large capacity. It can ensure good filtering effect. Filter cake. A filter cake is formed by the substances that are retained on a filter. The filter cake grows in the course of filtration, becoming thicker as particulate matter is retained. With increased layer thickness, the flow resistance of the filter cake increases. After a time, filter cake has to be removed from the filter by backflushing. Application in filter press. Filter press are used in a huge variety of different applications, from dewatering of mineral mining slurries to blood plasma purification. At the same time, filter press technology is widely established for ultrafine coal dewatering as well as filtrate recovery in coal preparation plants. The use of filter press is very beneficial to plant operation since it offers dewatering ultra-clean coal as product as well as improving quality of water removed to be available for equipment cleaning. Efficiency. Plate and frame filter press produce up to 99% of solid recovery, and the moisture left in the cake commonly range from 15% to 20%. During cake washing, 90% of the filtrate can be removed by the wash liquid. Filtrate. What does filtrate mean? Filtrate refers to liquid which has passed through the process of filtration. In filtration, all fluids are strained. Large particles are stuck in the straining media, while thinner particles as well as liquid pass through, becoming filtrate. It is therefore the end product of liquid filtration. in almost all instances, the filtrate is actually water in its purified form. If this is not accomplished, the filtration is disrupted because the viscosity of the filter cake gets too high. Hence, too little of the mixture to be filtered can pass through the filter cake and the filter fluid. The specification of the filter cake dictates the filtration method of choice.
Continuous filter. Continuous filter is a machine for carrying out filtration as a continuous process. The most common continuous filter is the rotary drum type, which consists of a revolving drum covered with a filter cloth. Their advantage is that they require very little labor during operation. This is a picture of a continuous filter machine in the industry. Centrifuge. Centrifuge is a machine for separating solid from liquids or for separating two liquids of different densities which cannot mix. The separation is accomplished by the use of centrifugal force created by rapid whirling. The centrifuge works using the sedimentation principle, where the centrifugal acceleration causes denser substances and the particle to move outward in the radial direction. Cyclone separator. Cyclone separator is a device for separating solid particles from a gas. The cyclone causes the gas to swirl, thereby generating a centrifugal force that causes the particles to move to the wall of the cyclone. As the cyclone is essentially a two-phase particle fluid system, fluid mechanics and particle transport equation can be used to describe the behavior of a cyclone. The air in the cyclone is initially introduced tangentially into the cyclone with an inlet velocity. Gas scrubber is a device that separates solid particles from a gas or one gas from another. It uses a spray of liquid, usually water, that traps the particles or dissolves a gas.
Thanks for your attention and see you.